Hello and welcome. Come with me as I take apart my old PC and put it in a new case. So this is my old case. It's a NZXT H510 Elite. As you can see, I have a radiator that is way too big for my case, and it was really meant for the new case. My specs right now is a 3070 Ti, a Ryzen 7 7800X3D, 32 gigs of RAM, and 4 terabytes of SSD NVMe. There will be a lot of jumps and cuts in the video because I'm not a professional videographer and this is the first video I do. And I hope you can bear with it. So here's the graphics card, and just plug some cables out. So here's the big mess. As I said, the pump wasn't meant for this. It was meant for the new case, but I had to put it in. I had some trouble pulling the 24 pin out as a cut. It took way longer than expected. And here we'll just pop the RAM out. So now for the CPU pins. It's way too tight. I had to remove the fan, but yeah. Here I take the 8 pins out for the CPU, and yeah, as you can see, I could never remove them with the fan in. Here we take out the pump. It's screwed down with 4 thumb screws. Here we take the motherboard out. It's a X670E tough motherboard. And right here we tease the new case. Here's the new motherboard. It's a B650 Aorus Elite. And in with the